For decades, Canada has welcomed international students from around the globe. And studying in Canada is one of the easiest way to get a permanent resident for Canada. And today we'll be sharing 10 benefits why you should be studying in Canada.
But before we proceed, we would highly recommend you to subscribe to our channel because we make a lot of good videos about Canada and Canada immigration, so subscribe now.
Number one is, of course, easiest way to get Canadian permanent residence. Canada's post-graduation work permit allows students to stay and work in Canada for up to 3 years after completion of their graduation. You can gain some international work experience and apply for permanent residency later on. Many new Canadians start their path to citizenship through post-secondary education. We already made a video on how you can get Canadian permanent residency by studying in Canada for 1 year as well. So this is talking about 2-year, 3-year degree course, but there are chances that you can study for 1 year and still get Canadian permanent residency. So you can check that video, but this is one of the benefit of studying in Canada.
Second reason, quality and internationally recognized degrees. Canada places a lot of importance to education and maintains very high standards in education. A degree acquired from Canadian universities is recognized globally and is valued highly in the international job market. Canada is renowned for its research-intensive universities and it's ranked 4th in the world for scientific research. It is recognized worldwide for outstanding quality of education from elementary schools to post-graduation studies. The educators are highly trained and bring diverse perspectives to the classroom. At the university level, 2 out of every 5 academics hold at least one international degree, and Canada has 10 of the top 250 universities worldwide. So after staying here for more than 3 years, we can surely say that the education system is top class. We do know a lot of people who come here as an international student. We know a lot of them and they say that the education is really class apart.
Because here they emphasize on the practical knowledge, and I have seen people who are fresh out of the college and they have so much technical skills like about data science, if they are from technical background, about data analytics, data science, business analytics. So that speaks about the level of education that Canadian universities provide here. Number 3, affordable education and living. Canada offers not only quality education but education which is affordable for international students. Canada is known for having some of the lowest universities tuition fees amongst English speaking countries. Whatever your budget may be, you will find something just right for you in our diverse range of education options. Research the cost of post-secondary programs and living expenses in the city or town of your choice so you can prepare your budget. We have mentioned a lot that fees for international students are higher as compared to the Canadian citizens, but still if you compare it with other countries, it is still better. And you will have variety of options where you can go as per your budget. Budget will not be a constraint.
Reason number 4, a variety of options. As Harmeet mentioned that you can choose the college or university of your choice based on your budget. So that's like the number 1 reason. You can choose any college or university and you can still afford to study in Canada. The choice of schools in Canada is wide and varied. From major research institutions to small liberal arts schools, offer a wide range of undergraduate, graduate and professional degree programs in a very flexible mode. Canada has more than 100 universities, 200 colleges and renowned institutions, accredited language schools as well as specialized institutions. So all in all, you have a lot of options to choose from. So that's again a good thing.
In terms of budget and in terms of the stream as well. Maybe in art stream, photography stream, science streams, data analytics, IT, whatever.
Also, you still have an option to choose the cities. If you like living in a warmer location, you can choose Vancouver, British Columbia and places like those. And otherwise, you have other options in Canada.
So as we mentioned, there are several options to go for. So it might be very overwhelming for the students who are planning to come to Canada. But there is a solution for that, which is YOCAT. And YOCAT is organizing a study fair, which is free of cost. And that fair is open for all undergraduate MS and MBA aspirants from South Asia, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and MENA region, which is Morocco, Lebanon, Egypt, Turkey, UAE, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Israel, and Kuwait. You will also get one-on-one with university representatives. You can discuss scholarship availability and financial options as well, get clarity on your study abroad destination, understand how to shortlist universities and courses, and of course about the jobs and internship opportunities as well. Studying abroad fair is a chance to build a global career in field of your choice. This means more job opportunities, higher salary, better quality of life, and it all starts with picking the right university. But how do you know which one is the one for you? So if you are also battling with this problem, if you have number of options, if you're not able to decide, make sure that you join the study abroad fair, which is online, and you can grab your free ticket from the link in the description. Moving on to the reasons. Reason number 5, earn while you learn. Canada provides all its international students with an opportunity to work for up to 20 hours every week during their semesters and full-time during the summer and winter breaks. To work on campus or as an intern in any company, you would not require any additional work permit, as your study permit is enough to help you find a part-time job. So we have been talking about this. This is the best benefit that you get along with the study permit for Canada. So if you are struggling to pay the fees for your semesters, you can work for 20 hours every week, and that helps you to pay the fees as well. Plus you get exposure to the Canadian job market as well. And I would say the employers here are also very open to hire the international students because they are aware that they have to work for 20 hours, and it's a win-win situation for the employers as well as for the international students. So this is the best benefit of a study visa for Canada.
Reason number 6, student-friendly country. Needless to say, Canadians are famous for their welcoming nature. You will find a welcoming country with a unique Canadian culture that embraces diversity. From urban centers to small towns, Canada is considered one of the safest countries in the world for international students. Canada's prime cities, Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal, have been recognized as world-class cities to live and work for cleanliness, safety, cultural activities, and attractive lifestyles. So all we can say is it's not only for students, even the immigrants. Everyone is welcomed with open arms, and people really love seeing diversity. So it's worth coming and giving a try.
Reason number 7, safe country. A very important factor for most Indian and other international students while choosing a study abroad program is the safety and security of the country and the city in particular. Parents are worried about the safety of their children, and factors like crime against women, racial discrimination, and theft play an important role while choosing a destination for study abroad. In this respect, Canada is one of the safest places to study with very low crime rate and cases of racial discrimination. And especially for international students, if you compare it with UK, Australia, it is still better. And we can share the stats as well. We are providing a link down below. You can check the stats. What are the crime rates, safety index, comparison to Australia, UK and US.
Reason number 8, multicultural environment. Canada has a multicultural environment with people of all religions, races, and cultures. People of Canada are extremely friendly and welcoming. The multicultural environment gives students an opportunity to interact with people of all backgrounds and ethnicities. There are numerous communities and associations of which you can be a part of and get a feeling of home away from home. The multicultural environment also helps you find restaurants serving ethnic and traditional Indian food. No wonder that Canada is ranked number 1 in international students population in the world in 2021, with international students studying at various levels of education.
And we have been talking about multiculturalism, diversity in Canada. International students just experience that firsthand because in their class they can interact with other students who are from different countries. They get exposure to diverse culture, food, so many festivals. So by the time they get their PR, they already had a good flavor of multiculturalism in Canada. Reason number 9, scholarships. Canada offers many scholarships specially designed for international students. Canada is one of the few nations that offer job opportunities to students who have graduated from Canadian universities and have obtained a Canadian degree. In fact, after finishing their studies, international students can work in Canada up to 3 years. And whenever we were mentioning that you can get Canadian PR very easily after studying in Canada, this is one of the biggest reasons, because after studying in Canada, they get work permit for 3 years, and after finishing 1 year of Canadian work experience, they get some extra points, which in turn help them to get the Canadian permanent residence very easily.
Reason number 10, a high-tech country. Canada is an international leader in computer and information technology and has a reputation of excellence in such sectors as telecommunication, animation, transportation, and engineering. Canada was among the first in the world to recognize the need to connect schools and libraries to the internet. and its SchoolNet program is being copied around the world. All kinds of modern amenities are provided, and most campuses happen to be wired with the most sophisticated technologies the world has to offer. So if you happen to study in one of the top colleges of Canada, you will get top-notch technology and studies a class apart.
So these were the top 10 reasons. If these benefited you, comment down below. If you or your friend are planning to come to Canada, just share this video with them. This will be helpful. And do not forget to grab your free ticket for YOCAT Job Fair. Link is in the description. Till next time,
Stay safe
and stick around.